Smoke detectors are some of the most important devices to have in the home to keep your family safe and secure. A smoke detector is a device that senses smoke, typically as an indicator of fire. So if you're looking to buy one, we can help you with some of the best products. Check out our new video to get more details about the latest products. An industrial-grade smoke sensor, tests itself automatically, and lasts up to a decade. It has a split-spectrum sensor, proves itself automatically, and lasts up to a decade. It detects fast-burning fires, smoldering fires, and carbon monoxide. You can also receive alerts from the carbon monoxide smoke detector from your phone. Also, it emits a green glow when you turn off the lights, and when you walk underneath it at night, path light will light your way. Besides, it quickly detects the location and cause of the problem. The KidE i4618 FireX comes with a red LED that flashes until reset for quick, clear identification of the initiating smoke alarm in an interconnected system. It has the ionization 120-volt AC alarm with a backup battery that is compatible for use with both single and multiple stations, with the 15-minute false alarm control element that will silence an alarm if needed. Also, it offers a constant green on the LED indicator, which allows the user to know if there's an AC power available for use, with flashing red that displays the alarm and battery status. Besides, it is designed with dual ionization detection chambers, factory sealed housing to prevent tampering, and an attractive low-profile design.